something simple you can do. I'm in the kitchen today. I've got tomatoes. I picked these tomatoes from my garden. Now, if you've grown a garden, chances are you're growing tomatoes. And if you grow them from hybrid seeds, the next year the tomatoes are not going to be the same. But if you grow them from heirloom seeds, those tomatoes are always going to be the exact same. Now that's a DNA, that's a genetics kind of thing. If you want to get into that with your kids, you can do that as well. It's a good idea to pick some tomatoes from multiple different plants. It's good to pick nice symmetrical looking ones. And here's basically all you do. You cut that tomato open, you squeeze the seeds into a jar, and that's really all you're going to do. And you just do this for a couple of different tomatoes. You squeeze them in there. Got some in there, and then I'm going to add some water right here at the faucet, just about that much water. And then you put a cap on it. Now, whatever kind of jelly jar cap you have. So here's one I've had sitting, and then every couple of days, every day, shake it. And then after a few days, by 3, 4, 5 days, what you can do is you can unscrew that cap, take a sieve, and you pour those seeds right through there. Let all that water go out. Even you could dab it a little bit with some paper towel if you'd like. Take a bowl or a plate or something and put all those seeds right in there. And then you wait. You let them dry for a couple of days. Meanwhile, you get a Ziploc bag, I like a snack bag size, and a Sharpie, and write the tomatoes, write the year, so that you know what kind of seeds they are when you decide to start them and grow them again next year. So these seeds from this tomato are going to make a brand new tomato plant next year, or a whole bunch of tomato plants, which means a whole bunch more tomatoes, which means a whole bunch of learning and growing for your kid. That's the kind of things we need to do with our kids every day. Find ways to show them that STEM is part of real life, part of every day, in the kitchen, outside, everywhere.